What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to integrate ChatGPT with WhatsApp to enhance your messaging experience. Using ChatGPT in WhatsApp can help you generate responses, answer queries, and improve your overall communication efficiency. This guide outlines the steps to set up and use ChatGPT in WhatsApp effectively. Before we start, make sure that your WhatsApp app is synchronized to your SIM card, which is recommended for WhatsApp when you use a WhatsApp app. So let's get started. Locate the Contacts app. After you locate the Contacts app, tap on it to open your Contacts app. While we are in the Contacts app, make sure that you are in the Contacts tab, as you can see in the video. In the Contacts tab, tap on the Add button, which is located at the bottom right of the screen. From here, name your contact to ChatGPT. After you named your contact, enter this number. I prefer you pause the video for this moment so that you have time to copy the number. After you enter the contact number of ChatGPT, save it by tapping on the check icon at the top right of the screen, or it depends on which devices you use, like an iPhone, since mine is an Android device. After you save the contact of ChatGPT, let's go back to the main screen and locate the WhatsApp. After you locate WhatsApp, tap on it to open. While we are in the WhatsApp, click on the search bar in a Meta AI section. In the search bar section, type ChatGPT, and as you can see, ChatGPT appears. So let's tap on it. Now you are in the ChatGPT conversation. Integrating ChatGPT into WhatsApp can revolutionize your messaging experience, allowing for faster and more efficient communication. By following the steps, you can set up and customize your ChatGPT bot and WhatsApp. Explore the various features and capabilities to maximize its potential. For further enhancements, consider experimenting with different automation tools and ChatGPT settings. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.